To comply with the warranty, you must have your leisure vehicle inspected and serviced once per year and in accordance with your warranty. We highly recommend that you have your touring caravan serviced by a Swift Group approved dealer or service centre. In the unfortunate event that an issue requires attention under warranty, then a Swift Group approved service centre is able to submit a warranty claim to Swift Group for processing and deal with the issue for you from start to finish. All of our Swift Group approved dealers and service centres are provided with up-to-date technical information and have access to current repair methods, giving you peace of mind that any defect has been repaired effectively. During the service, they will check all the appliances are operating to their optimal performance, along with checking the brakes and all components of the chassis. It is important to check your tyres on a regular basis. They are steel-belted tyres on all Swift Caravans, which are designed to be stationary for long periods of time. Before each journey, the tyres should always be checked for the following: any cracks in the sidewalls of the tyre, any cracks in the main tread, any punctures, tyre pressure. If the pressure of the tyre is slightly low, it can affect the towing experience and cause unnecessary bouncing. Remember to also check the spare wheel pressure. There is a wheel brace which comes with the caravan, and this can be used when changing a wheel. But to regularly check wheel nuts and to ensure they are fully tightened, we recommend the use of a torque wrench. We would recommend purchasing an Alco jack and utilising the dedicated jacking point. However, you can jack up the caravan using a normal car or trolley jack, provided you follow the instruction in your handbook. All information regarding all the appliances and any warranties are detailed in the handbook, and there is a separate booklet for the Swift command system.